Welcome back. Let's now take a look at the latest in the world of business. My name is Carol Jenga. Now, Kenya and Zimbabwe have signed 7 agreements touching on the tourism sector and the promotion of investment in a bid to increase the volume of trade between the two countries. President Uhuru Kenyatta has further said that Nairobi and Harare are working on reviewing their bilateral air services agreement, which will ease air travel between the two countries.
Kenya's exports to Zimbabwe stood at 12 billion shillings in 2020, while Zimbabwe's exports to Kenya were recorded at more than 50 billion shillings in the same year. President Uhuru Kenyatta says the government is keen on establishing a robust partnership with Zimbabwe, with a review of bilateral relations expected to boost trade activities between Nairobi and Harare.
Underpinning these actions are 7 memorandums of understanding that have been signed, which will go a long way towards deepening our diplomatic, economic, and people-to-people cooperation, and enable us to work together to address critical issues, in particular those related to youth employment and women empowerment.
Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who jetted into the country today for a 2-day official visit, says the country is working on strengthening Zimbabwe's ties with Kenya to lessen the negative after effects of COVID-19 on its economy.
It is through the implementation of our MOUs, which have been articulated by my brother, that our economies will be transformed for higher standards of living for our people.
Mnangagwa further notes that Zimbabwe's relations with Kenya will ensure the two countries take full advantage of the continental and regional trading blocs. Talks between Zimbabwe and Kenya will also touch on strategies towards mitigating the adverse effects of climate change and how to emerge quickly from the economic woes presented by the COVID pandemic.
His Excellency President Kenyatta and I discussed the ways to take full advantage of the regional and the continental trading blocs to which our countries are members. This, in our view, will go a long way towards increasing the volume of bilateral trade for the realization of inclusive and sustainable economic growth.
Our technical teams are under instruction to expedite the implementation of the actions that have been agreed upon today, and we are very keen, Your Excellency, to build on this historic visit to establish a strong and vibrant partnership between our two countries.
Hibak Said for Prime Edition.
That marks the end